What if I told you there are places on Earth where gravity doesn't work? Places where cars roll uphill and water flows upwards? You'd probably think it's a magic trick, a hoax, or science fiction. But these places exist, and they're called gravity hills. They're scattered across the globe, each one a perplexing puzzle that seems to defy the laws of nature. For centuries, these mysterious locations have sparked curiosity and bewilderment. Locals whisper tales of supernatural forces and hidden anomalies. Scientists scratch their heads, seeking rational explanations for the seemingly impossible. These hills challenge our understanding of the world. They make us question what we see and what we believe. Join us as we journey to the heart of these enigmatic places to uncover the truth behind gravity-defying hills. From the winding roads of India to the vast deserts of America, gravity hills can be found in the most unexpected corners of our planet. Each location holds its own unique legend, passed down through generations. In India, Magnetic Hill attracts visitors who come to witness cars seemingly rolling uphill against the pull of gravity. Legend has it that the hill possesses a magnetic force that draws objects towards it. Meanwhile, in the United States, the mystery spot in California has baffled tourists for decades. Visitors experience strange sensations, objects appear to defy gravity, and the laws of physics seem to crumble. Across the globe in South Korea, a gravity hill known as Dokkaebi Road attracts curious travelers eager to witness the unusual phenomenon. Cars left in neutral appear to roll uphill, defying all logic. These are just a few examples of the many gravity hills that have captivated our imagination. But are these places truly defying gravity, or is there something else at play? Could there be a scientific explanation for these bewildering occurrences? Prepare to embark on a journey that will challenge your perception of reality. We will delve into the science of illusions, the power of perspective, and the intricate workings of the human brain. Join us as we separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth behind these gravitational anomalies. Our journey begins with a simple question: what exactly is a gravity hill? These peculiar places, often shrouded in mystery and local folklore, aren't actually defying the fundamental force of gravity. Instead, they're masters of deception, cleverly disguised to trick our senses and create a powerful illusion. Imagine a road that appears to slope uphill, defying gravity's pull. You place a car in neutral, release the brake, and astonishingly, it appears to roll uphill. It's a captivating sight, one that has led many to believe in supernatural forces or unexplained phenomena. However, the truth lies in the subtle interplay between our perception and the environment. Gravity hills are essentially optical illusions, carefully crafted by nature to play tricks on our senses. The slope we perceive as uphill is, in reality, a downhill slope. Our brains, confused by the surrounding landscape and visual cues, misinterpret the information, leading to the perception of an uphill climb. These intriguing illusions are not confined to a single corner of the globe. They exist on every continent, each with its own unique characteristics and local legends. From the rolling hills of Europe to the rugged terrains of Australia, gravity hills have captivated the imaginations of travelers and scientists alike. In Brazil, a stretch of road known as Morro do Amor attracts visitors eager to experience the unusual phenomenon firsthand. Cars seemingly roll uphill, defying gravity's pull, leaving onlookers bewildered and amazed. Across the Atlantic in Scotland, electric bray has puzzled travelers for centuries. This seemingly ordinary road creates the illusion of uphill movement, prompting tales of magnetic forces and supernatural intervention. From the bustling streets of South Korea to the serene landscapes of Canada, gravity hills stand as a testament to the power of illusion and the captivating mysteries that nature holds. Let's journey to the foothills of the Himalayas, where amidst the breathtaking scenery lies Magnetic Hill, a popular tourist destination in Ladakh, India. This seemingly ordinary stretch of road has earned a reputation for its gravity-defying properties, attracting curious visitors from far and wide. Legend has it that the hill possesses a magnetic force so strong that it can pull cars uphill, even overcoming the force of gravity. Stories abound of vehicles moving uphill at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, their engines switched off, seemingly defying the laws of physics. The experience at Magnetic Hill is both intriguing and perplexing. Tourists flock to the marked spot, eager to witness the phenomenon firsthand. As they release their brakes, their cars slowly begin to move forward, seemingly uphill, adding to the mystery and allure of this unique location. Our next stop takes us to the heart of California, where amidst the towering redwoods lies the enigmatic mystery spot. This peculiar tourist attraction has been baffling visitors for decades with its mind-bending illusions and gravity-defying demonstrations. Stepping inside the mystery spot is like entering a world where the laws of physics are bent and distorted. Balls appear to roll uphill, people seem to defy gravity, and the perception of height and size becomes skewed. It's a place where reality itself seems to be in question. One of the most popular demonstrations at the mystery spot involves a tilted wooden shack. Inside the shack, visitors experience strange sensations, feeling lighter or heavier than usual, as if an unseen force is manipulating their weight. It's a disorienting and unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who enter. To understand gravity hills, we must acknowledge our perception's limitations. Our eyes, while remarkable, are not infallible. They can be tricked, and our brains can be misled. Gravity hills are an interplay between landscape and visual processing. Visual cues like the horizon and nearby objects determine orientation. These cues can be distorted by the environment. Hills and trees can create a false horizon, tricking our brains into misinterpreting the slope. Our eyes send misleading information, creating the illusion of an uphill climb. The car, seemingly defying gravity, follows a natural downward slope, but our perception interprets it differently. The horizon, where Earth meets sky, is crucial for spatial awareness. It serves as a visual anchor for orientation and perspective. On gravity hills, the horizon deceives. A false horizon tricks your brain. The landscape obscures the true horizon. This false horizon creates an uphill illusion. The car appears to climb uphill, but it's actually moving downhill. Perspective, the art of representing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface, plays a significant role in the illusion of gravity hills. Our brains, accustomed to interpreting perspective, can be tricked by unusual or distorted views. Railroad tracks appear to converge in the distance, though they run parallel. This is linear perspective, showing how our brains interpret distance. On gravity hills, perspective creates the illusion of an uphill slope. A winding road through hills can disappear around a bend. Surrounding hills create a visual illusion of the road sloping upwards. Our brains perceive the road as an uphill climb. Perspective manipulation and false horizons create powerful illusions. The car, seemingly defying gravity, follows the road's natural contours. Section 4. Unraveling depth perception. Depth perception, our ability to perceive the world in three dimensions, is another crucial factor in the illusion of gravity hills. Our brains rely on a variety of cues, both binocular, using both eyes, and monocular, using one eye, to judge distance and depth. Binocular cues, such as retinal disparity, the slight difference in the images perceived by each eye, are particularly important for judging distances up close. However, in the vast landscapes where gravity hills often occur, monocular cues become more prominent. Monocular cues, such as relative size, where objects farther away appear smaller, texture gradient, where textures become finer with distance, and interposition, where closer objects obstruct our view of farther objects, help our brains perceive depth and distance in the environment. In the context of gravity hills, these monocular cues can be misleading. The surrounding landscape, with its rolling hills, dense forests, or vast deserts, can disrupt our depth perception, making it difficult to accurately judge the true slope of the terrain. Section 5. Putting it all together. The illusion of gravity hills arises from a fascinating interplay of perceptual tricks, a symphony of visual cues conspiring to deceive our senses. These illusions highlight the remarkable adaptability of our brains, always striving to make sense of the world around us, even when presented with conflicting information. The next time you encounter a gravity hill, remember that you are witnessing the power of illusion, a testament to the intricate workings of your own perception. Take a moment to appreciate the clever interplay of visual cues, the subtle distortions of perspective, and the way our brains, eager to find patterns and meaning, can be tricked by the environment. Section 1. Whispers of the Unexplained. For centuries, gravity hills have been shrouded in mystery, giving rise to myths, legends, and paranormal theories. These stories blur the lines between fact and folklore, offering alternative explanations. In hushed tones, gravity hills become places where the ordinary gives way to the extraordinary. Tales abound of supernatural forces and ancient spirits manipulating the landscape. Some believe these hills possess a hidden force that disrupts physics. Others whisper of secret government experiments and hidden technologies. Some point to UFO sightings, claiming extraterrestrial spacecraft are responsible. These stories add intrigue to the perplexing phenomenon of gravity hills. While science offers explanations, the allure of the unknown captivates our imaginations. One of the most enduring myths surrounding gravity hills involves magnetism. The belief that these hills possess a strong magnetic force, powerful enough to pull cars uphill, has persisted for decades. Proponents point to compasses malfunctioning near gravity hills, their needles spinning erratically. Others speculate that celestial alignments might be responsible for the strange occurrences. However, scientific scrutiny often debunks these theories. Measurements show no evidence of unusual magnetic fields or gravitational anomalies. The intersection of science and speculation is evident in the paranormal theories surrounding gravity hills. These theories, often rooted in folklore, attribute the phenomena to supernatural forces. Some believe gravity hills are portals to other dimensions, where the fabric of space-time is thin. Others claim these hills are haunted by spirits, disrupting the normal flow of energy. While lacking scientific evidence, these theories tap into our deepest fears and fascinations. They remind us the world is full of mysteries, some remaining unexplained despite scientific inquiry. The debate between science and speculation lies at the heart of our fascination with gravity hills. While science seeks logical explanations, human imagination finds wonder in the unexplained. Despite the scientific explanations for gravity hills, their allure as places of mystery and intrigue persists. Perhaps it's the thrill of experiencing something that seems to defy logic, or maybe it's the lingering possibility that something more might be at play. Whatever the reason, gravity hills continue to capture our imaginations, reminding us that the world is full of wonders, both explained and unexplained. They challenge us to question what we see, to explore beyond the boundaries of our current understanding, and to embrace the possibility that there might be more to the universe than meets the eye. As we conclude our journey into the world of gravity hills, we are left with a newfound appreciation for the power of illusion, the intricate workings of our own perception, and the enduring allure of the unknown. These mysterious places, scattered across the globe, serve as a reminder that the world is a fascinating and often perplexing place full of surprises waiting to be discovered. As we've journeyed from the towering Himalayas to the enigmatic forests of California, one thing remains clear: gravity's dominion over the universe is absolute. What we perceive as gravity-defying hills are not rebellions against nature's laws, but rather captivating illusions orchestrated by the interplay of our senses and the environment. The car rolling uphill, an image that initially seemed to contradict everything we know about physics, is, in reality, a testament to the power of perspective, the subtle influence of horizon lines, and the intricacies of depth perception. Our brains, wired to seek patterns and make sense of the world, can be tricked by these visual cues, leading to a captivating disconnect between what we see and what is actually happening. But rather than diminishing the wonder of these places, this understanding deepens our appreciation for the complex relationship between our perception and the physical world. Gravity hills, in their own unique way, reveal the elegance of both the laws of physics and the remarkable capabilities of the human brain. Could similar illusions exist elsewhere in the vast cosmos? On distant planets with alien landscapes, what wonders might await us? Perhaps there are worlds where rivers flow uphill, or where objects levitate, defying gravity. The universe is a tapestry of mysteries yet to be unraveled. Our exploration of gravity hills reminds us that reality is often filtered through our senses. As we explore the cosmos, both within our minds and across space, we must remain open to the possibility of illusion. There is always more to learn and discover. What other illusions might the universe hold? Share your thoughts and encounters with the unexpected below.